How to put your location on Snapchat pictures. So first is you have to go to your Snapchat application and it will lead you here to your camera. So all you have to do is just put a picture there or take a photo. Then on the right side, you'll see different options there. So you may want to click on the sticker icon. And then here, it will look like this. It will lead you here. Here, you will see mentions, sounds, location, topic, questions, poll. So tap on location and it will automatically give you the location. Now, if it's still not working or you don't have this option, the location option, then maybe you have turned off your location here. Or if it's still not working, then I recommend you to go to your settings. Go to your settings, go to your application, your Snapchat application, and under that, you go to permissions. Make sure that you have given the Snapchat an access to your location. And basically, that is how you put location on your Snapchat pictures. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.